Hi friends, welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi 4K laser projector. This is a Chinese version which I picked up from Xiaomi store in China. So box has little damage on top. This is the top of the box. It's a 4K version. There has been little damage. Let's hope it doesn't affect the projector. So this 4K laser projector. So let's jump into the unboxing of this projector. So as you have already seen the top of the box, it just has a printed logo 4K. Then the other side of the box has some wordings like DTH, HD, 4K HDR, HDMI 2.0, Bluetooth. On the top there is a print of this thing, and this is the opening latch. The other side of the box also has the same wordings. This pretty simple cardboard box, nothing much in terms of text or anything going on over here. So let's open this up now. This is what you get when you first open a welcome kit, which might be in Chinese, we cannot use it. But anyway, let's open and see if there's anything else in the envelope. So pretty much, I guess it's the Chinese manual, then the lens cleaning cloth. So let us get this thermocol out of the way. It's pretty hard thermocol, and it gives a nice protection to uh, the projector. The projector itself is a pretty small size, very good size. And let's check the remote out. It's a pretty minimalistic functional remote, kind of fire stick kind of a remote. Let's keep it aside. You get a pair of batteries included. Then you have a power cable. This is Chinese 3-pin power cable. When you buy this from say gear-based or a Banggood, they are including those adapters. This projector is rated for both Indian and US use, so you don't need any step up or step down transformers to use it. All you need is just an adapter which can to plug this into direct power in India. So nothing much in the box. Let's put this cardboard aside and have a clear shot of what's in the box, and check out the projector. Let me take the projector out. Oh, it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. So this is what we get inside the box: a Chinese power cable, then a remote, batteries included, then the projector itself. Now let's try to take the projector out of this wrapper. So the wrapper is out. Let's have a look at the projector. This is the top of the projector. The size is pretty small when compared to other projectors. So there is an LED indicator for the power on. Nice Mi 4K laser projector logo, Mi logo over there. Then these are the sensors which cut off the projector to protect your eye. When a person goes nearby, as this is a laser projector, you should not be staring into it. So these two sensors which were showed over there will be cutting off the laser light source if someone comes in the way. this to protect. And this is the front speaker grill, very nice looking. This can be easily kept on any living room this thing without being distracted. On the other side, here you have an height adjusting wheel, then an USB port. These are the power air intake grill. This on the other side there is one more feet adjusting this thing, and this is a uh, air exhaust grill over there also. The this are matte finished aluminum matte finish thing. Now let's take a look at the inputs, the power input. Then you have three HDMI inputs. The third one is ARC. Then you have a USB 3.0, which are nicely labeled. Then audio jack output and an AV input. This is the RC to 3.5 mm AV input. Then this is a what do you say, the optical audio out, and it's a LAN port. None of the cables are included in the box. You need to buy it on your own. Let me show you a little closely all the inputs. We'll get a graphic up also, so you can see these are the inputs over there. Then this projector can be mounted to a mount or ceiling mounted. It has this 4 screws, so it can be comfortable. Let's dive into the features and spec. This projector has a 3000:1 contrast ratio. It supports HDR10 specification. It's a very high contrast. It uses ALPD 3.0 display technology, which basically allows more red light to be projected. There are some graphics which show what a more red light can do. Then it's a 4K native resolution projector. When compared with the price, this is pretty good price for a 4K projector. It's 10,000 RMB, which closely comes up to a lakh and above a lakh. So 5,000 lumens, very bright projector. It's ultra short throw projector. It hardly needs 14 centimeters for 80 inches. So you can clearly see it's 14 for 80, and all you need is 50 centimeters for 150 inch. This thing, it has a pretty good audio sound bar built in. It does pretty good, and 25,000, as it is laser projector, it gives you a 25,000 hours of light time. So when you say 25,000 hours, it's kind of, if you take it like 4 hours a day, you can at least use it for 17 years, is what company claims. So these are few more slides from the site converted into English, China to English. The internal parts of the projector, and detailed graphics of from the site, the model number, the details. It has 2 GB and 16 GB, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory. It can support 3D, but as you can see in the upcoming video, 3D is a little questionable. It has some caveats. We'll see the details of that in upcoming review video.